Kel, and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so this is what I'm doing today. So I have washed and deep conditioned my hair, which I know the deep conditioning video is supposed to be coming and I forgot about it, so don't be mad at me. But I just realized that I need to be recording this. Cause I'm trash. I know I'm trash. Mind your business. Mind your business. But anywho, I have washed and deep conditioned my hair and I am blow drying it out right now, and I plan on trimming my ends because they need to be trimmed so bad. I have blown out this section, but the rest of it you will see. So pretty much what I do when I blow out my hair is I usually use the oil on my hair, and then I will be trimming my ends because look at that. Look at that. We can't have that anymore. It's done, it's over, it's tired, and it needs to go. So that's what I will be doing today, and of course I will be speeding it up. And I'm sorry that we already here, that I realized, what are you doing? Record this. So yeah, that's this, and that's what I will be doing, and I will see you guys when it's time for me to start cutting. Okay, you guys, here I am about to blow out my hair. So pretty much what I do is, of course, I put my hair in sections, so that's what I'm doing is taking the sections out and then comb through it again to make sure there's no tangles, and then I do use the oil. I did take that out because I was saying that I use like my little grease mixture, which I had to look that up when I was blow drying my hair, and I was like, wait, is that all right? So when I looked it up, I learned that there are certain oils to use to actually use as a heat protectant, which I have in my little oil mixture. So it's pretty much like almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, stuff like that, which I have a actual oil mixture with all of those oils in it. So I decided to use that instead of my grease mixture. So that is cut out of the video because I didn't want y'all to come for me. But that's pretty much all I do, and I just blow out my hair regularly. That's it. I'm not doing nothing fancy. So I'm gonna let y'all finish watching that, and I'll be right back. I am done blow drying my hair, and I have cut one side. You will see how I cut all of my hair, but I just wanted you guys to see the difference in my hair once it is cut. Now I haven't cut my hair in probably a year, and so it's been really bad. Like I'm getting a whole bunch of fairy knots and all this stuff, and it is really bad, and it's really upsetting me and my homegirls. So I have to do something. So now this is it cut on the left side, and this is my last little section that is not cut. And if you can see, let me go ahead and look so y'all can see that, like it's sparse, I got knots, I'm getting shedding, like it's bad. And I knew it was bad, so something had to happen. And cutting it is what I needed to do, and I want you guys to see the difference in it being cut and it not being cut. But yeah, it's me and my little blowout afro. But I can't do this no more, y'all. I just can't. I can't no more. The scissors that I'm using, I got off Amazon. They have really good reviews on them. They are called Dragon Riot. So I got these, and I've seen some professionals use them on YouTube. So I was like, okay, well, let me look these specific ones up. I think I paid about $30 for them. which is very expensive scissors, you know what I mean? But when it comes to your hair, you have to do something, and I have been cutting my hair in the past. They have not been professional shears, and these are probably not as professional as they can get, but they was what I could afford. So let's say that. My hair feels so much better. I can run my fingers through it now without it getting caught. Like, the comb is gliding through it. It feels so much better. And I'm probably not using a good technique to cut my hair, but this is me, an amateur, cutting my own hair and trying to figure it out on my own. Because I have not found a natural hairstylist here in Vegas. I'm more sure there is some. There's probably a lot. I just ain't found them. So if you guys have any in the Las Vegas metropolitan area, let me know so I can get in contact with them so they can do something to my head, honey. But I'm used to doing my own hair. I'm used to doing my own crochets, and I wear my hair out a lot. This is Las Vegas. I'm not wearing no wigs in the summertime. So it's usually my natural hair. So this is it for right now. And I'm going to continue to cut my hair, and I will see you guys at the end so you can see all of it cut and all that good stuff. Okay, you guys. Here I am actually cutting my hair. So with my hair, I can feel the roughness at the end. So pretty much I look in the mirror, see where all of the frayed knots are and all of that stuff, and I pretty much just cut it off. Am I a professional? Absolutely not. I'm just showing you guys what I do with my hair. So I feel around at the ends, and if it feels frayed and it's bad, I just cut it off. And this time I really didn't care how much I cut off. I just chopped it off. And then of course I went around and did all of my edges. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It is all cut. I cut a lot off. Like a lot of it. But it's all dead ends. It's all bad. Like, so I'm not gonna miss it. It is a lot, but I'm not gonna miss it. And so this is my afro, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it this week. Usually I wear my hair in a puff, and that is probably why I do not see how bad my ends are until I blow out my hair. And like once I blow my hair out, I'm like, this is bad. This is horrible. So I usually don't blow out my hair. I usually wash it and let it air dry and wear my puff or put it in braids so I can wear a wig. So this is it, y'all. This is it. I really want my hair to get longer and thicker, so I need to start taking a lot better care of it. I did not do my avocado mask, I know, but for my deep conditioner, I've been using this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. I've been using that one. It's actually really, really good. I really, really like it. It keeps my hair really, really soft. It makes my hair feel healthy. Even with my ends being that bad, it still felt soft, and it still feels soft. So that's it, y'all. That's my hair. That's me and my hair now that it's cut. Do I want to get a professional trim? Of course I do, but I really don't know what to do with it after that. Would I get a press or something? I have not had my hair pressed out or silk pressed since I went natural in 2010. So have I straightened pieces of my hair, like for leave out, for sew-ins and stuff like that? Yeah, of course. But never my whole head. So I'm going to figure that out once I get in contact with somebody who can actually do this head, because honey, I'm tired. I'm tired. But besides that, I'm gonna put this junk up in a ponytail and go get me something to eat. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.